Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Future Tools. Today, I am going to show you how to create a multi-tool website on Blogger using AI completely without coding. If you've been thinking about building a website that can attract traffic, generate income, and run on autopilot, this video is for you. So stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the blueprint to launch your very own AI-powered multi-tool site for free. First, head over to Blogger.com and set up a free blog. When choosing your site's name, make sure it's both catchy and keyword-friendly. For example, names like Smart Tie Hub, Toolify Pro, or Next Gen Converters work really well. Blogger will give you free hosting and a subdomain, but you can always connect a custom domain later for a more professional look. Now that your site is live, it's time to bring in the tools. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of writing code, you'll use AI and no-code platforms to add tools directly to your Blogger site. Some options you can use are Chagged or Gemini to generate working HTML, JS tool codes like calculators, converters, or text generators, Weverse.io for ready-made interactive widgets, Hugging Face Spaces to embed AI models like text-to-image generators, summarizers, or even AI chatbots. For example, you could embed a free grammar checker, a YouTube thumbnail downloader, or an AI image generator right into your site. Just copy the embed code, paste it into a Blogger page, and your tool is ready for users to try instantly. Next up is design. A professional look will make your site stand out. Choose a responsive Blogger theme so it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. Use Canva or any AI design platform to create banners, logos, and icons that give your site a modern AI vibe. And here's a pro tip. Create separate pages for each tool. So you might have one page for ISA Writer, another for Image Compressor, and another for Word Counter. The more tools you add, the more chances you have to capture search traffic. Of course, none of this matters if people can't find your site. That's where SEO comes in. Make sure every page has a clear title, description, and keyword-rich content. For example, free online AI paragraph rewriter. No sign-up required this way. Google knows exactly what your page is about. You can use free tools like Ubersuggest, Google Keyword Planner, or Refs to find what people are actually searching for. The goal is to target long-tail keywords like best free AI grammar checker online or AI text summarizer no login. Do this, you'll start pulling in organic traffic from search engines. Finally, let's talk about making money. There are two main ways to monetize your Blogger tool website. 1. Google AdSense. Once you have steady traffic, you can display ads and earn passive income. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend AI software, hosting platforms, or online courses and earn commissions. With the right mix of tools, SEO, and monetization, your multi-tool Blogger site can become a real income stream. So go ahead, set it up today, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like to add to your Blogger site first. I'll see you in the next video.